Welcome to Visual Fractions. Since 1999, Visual Fractions has been helping teachers, parents, and students to learn about fractions. Our website has now expanded to cover math calculations, percentages, unit conversions, and more. Our most popular content includes Find Grampy, a fun, interactive fractions game. The aim of this game is to find where Grampy is hiding behind the fence using fractions. Fraction calculators. You can use our calculators to create tests for students, check your answers, or just for fun. We teach you how to add, subtract, divide, or multiply fractions. You can also learn about mixed fractions, improper fractions, proportions, and much more. Math calculators. If you need to learn about percentages, factors, long division, and more, our math calculators can help. Unit converter. Our interactive unit conversion tool lets you convert any type of unit into another at the click of a button. Students and teachers love to use this in the classroom. In addition, we also have a very popular fraction designer tool that you can use to create your own fraction examples. If you are a busy math teacher, you'll love the amazing free tools that are available here on visualfractions.com.